Good afternoon, this is Michael Cue-Ball Salsa from Team X-TREME, here highlighting one of our beautiful Suzuki Hayabusa in this electric blue. Take a look at this gorgeous bike. Brembo brakes, really beautiful silver and gold graphics. It's got the 2-up seat, extended swing arms, custom slip-on exhaust, new front and rear rubber, all 3 fluids. It's been serviced. Just a gorgeous bike. Come on down to Team X-TREME North and take a look at this bike. And always remember, here at Team X-TREME, we specialize in the bad things that have happened to good people. We can get you financed. Bad credit, get it handled for you. Good credit, get it handled for you. Need service on your bike? We will get it handled for you. From service, tires, no matter what you need at Team X-TREME, we will get it handled for you. My name is Michael Cue-Ball Salsa, just highlighting one of our gorgeous pre-loved bikes. So come on in for this gorgeous electric blue Hayabusa.